shake.
Oh, the whole hinge come off?
God damn.
That's basic problems right there, man. You break the entire hinge off right there, man. Ow, that thing's hot. Here, hold that.
What's that, piece of windshield?
That's the hood piece of the hinge.
The hood hinge, bro. Tweeters and throughout the doors. We got 5 alternators, and it does alright. We got 2 iPad Pros in the dash right here. You probably already got that. Totally custom console and everything. So we're just out here handing out demos and scraping the coast. Hope you like it. My pleasure, man.
All time.
You on the wrong side of the truck? That's
Wrong side of the truck.
You gotta be on that side.
Get a demo on that side of the truck.
I know you gotta wait like everybody else. What happened, man? Just falling apart. Oh, the whole hinge come off?
God damn.
That's basic problems right there, man. You break the entire hinge off right there, man. Ow, that thing's hot. Here, hold that.
What's that, piece of windshield?
That's the hood piece of the hinge.
The hood hinge, bro.
All time favorite.
Alright.
I ain't gotta say what it is, huh?
Oh, hey, what?
All time favorite.
Just 618, that's all it is.
All time favorite song. What's your all time favorite song? You already know your all time favorite song now.
It changes
And
now.
for the kids, baby.
I mean, it'll play it. It's just so high frequency.
That's so high frequency.
It heats up the subs real fast. It's not as fun as like these other ones that are really windy.
I feel you.
Let's see. This other one's been doing good. Pull up. 25 hertz, man.
It's down. I don't get mad, nah. I just get paid, yeah. Smelling like a pound. Walking in the bank, I be smoking weed, ready for the 5th grade. What? This shit on your favorite rapper, excuse me. Now I ain't got a deal, but I got a race. Shake. Pulled up in a port.
Hell yeah.
Alright, man.
Hell yeah.
Something.
Hell yeah. That's what's up.